Good evening. Hey, I thought I'd just share with everybody a quick tip. I know it's winter time and we're probably all working on some projects. So I've got a quick little tip for you if you're installing carpet and you are having to make the holes for like the seats or the seat belts, of how to make that perfect hole through your carpet and make it look amazing. So check this out, guys. This is pretty cool. All right, so I've got this section of the carpet in. I'm working on the Dodge Dart, the crusty Dart, making it a little less crusty. But hey, once you find out where the hole goes, in this case I've just poked a screwdriver through here in the hole. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set the camera down. I'm gonna pull this back out and I'm gonna mark it with a little black pen, just so that I can remember where the hole is. Not that I won't be able to see it anyway, but I can see where I made my hole. The next thing you're going to need is a socket that you don't care about anymore whatsoever. A big O extension and a propane torch. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to take your socket, put it on the extension, you're going to take the propane torch, and you're going to heat the fire out of this socket on the end of it until it is just rosy red. So watch as we go. You guys don't need to watch me do this entire thing. I'll be right back as soon as this is just rosy red. All right, so we're good. So we're good and red hot on this, and next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pull your screwdriver out. Remember right where you're at, and you're gonna take this hot poker and you're literally gonna singe all of the hair and everything. It's gonna push right through. See how that went through? Spin it around just a little bit. But what that's gonna do, once you move it around a little bit, it's gonna melt all the stuff around. That's gonna make a mess in here, but watch this, I'm gonna pull it out. Big O nasty mess, that's why I said get a socket that you don't care about anymore. But what you end up with is a beautiful, perfect hole for your seat belts or seat mounts or anything that you need to go through carpet with. So now check it out, watch. I'm gonna slide it in. Perfect, beautiful fit without any tether, tearing, or fuzzy edges on it. So that just turns out wonderful. Just fantastic, and looks incredibly awesome. So guys, that's a pretty simple and quick tip if you're putting carpet into your car and you need to make some holes through it. Easy way of doing it. Looks great, looks fantastic, and you'll never end up with all those little weird hairs going all over the place, and you can't drill through it because it ties up the drill. Perfect, simple, easy way to do it.